What's up, professionals? Just got a question from Claire, who is Korean, living in Korea, but very interested in getting a job in Singapore. She knows the market's a little bit tough right now and is wondering what she should do. So first off, thank you so much for your question, Claire. I get messages like this all the time. You're definitely not alone in these feelings, so don't feel discouraged. There's a ton of things we could talk about, but for this video, let's just focus on networking. It's pretty universal that networking can massively increase your chances of getting a job, especially if you get referrals and recommendations from employees at your target company. This is the best way to stand out in a competitive job market. However, if you just message tons of people that you don't know and beg them for job recommendations, you're going to get ignored. Here is a much better approach for building those relationships that can lead to awesome job opportunities. Find people on LinkedIn who are where you want to be. So they're working in your target country or they're working at your target company. They also have something in common with you. So maybe they went to your university, they worked at the same company you've worked at previously, or they're from your home country and living abroad. When you reach out to these people, share in your connection message something about their profile or their posts that you really like. Also mention what you have in common and say that seeing their success is really inspiring. This is an excellent strategy for making a great first impression. Let's look at a full example. All right, so let's imagine that we are Claire and our goal is to make some connections with people working at Google in Singapore. So we will search for people in Singapore, currently working at Google, and whose primary profile language is Korean. And when we message these people, we can use that angle of, I'm Korean like you, I'm hoping to build a career abroad, and seeing your success is really inspiring. This woman looks like a good person to reach out to. So she has her about. I would recommend reading this, checking her activity, and reviewing her experience. One interesting thing about her is that she used to be a flight attendant, and she has transitioned into working at big tech companies. That could be something to include in our message. So when we send our connect request, we could say something like this. Hi Minju. Wow, flight attendant to regulatory specialist. What a cool career change. I'm in Korea now, but am hoping to build a career like you have in Singapore. Seeing your success is very inspiring and it'd be wonderful to connect if possible. Have a great day, Claire. Not everyone will accept your request, and that is totally fine. But Claire, if you do this with 3 to 5 people a day for a couple of weeks, you're going to build some solid connections. Once you're connected, you can ask them about their experience working there, ask them if there's anyone else they'd recommend you reach out to. That's going to lead to more connections, and eventually that can lead to you getting a referral, getting your resume put at the very top of the stack, and hopefully getting the job that you are hoping for in Singapore. All right, Claire, I hope that this has been helpful. And to everyone watching, something else important to keep in mind is that the quality of your LinkedIn profile will have a huge impact on people's impressions of you. If you write good networking messages, but you have a boring, poorly written profile, you're still not going to make a very good impression. To create those life-changing career opportunities on LinkedIn, you need a great profile, you need great posts and comments, and you need great networking messages. You can learn all of that in just a few days for less than $100 with my LinkedIn profile and networking masterclass. This is an A to Z program that will show you everything you need to do on LinkedIn, even if you are a complete beginner. It's already helped tons of Koreans, and it's going to help you too. If that sounds interesting, I put a link with more info below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.